Today is a weekday and the place is completely empty out here. I've only seen one other car out here, which is great, but it's also because of the heat. It's not just because it's a weekday, I'm assuming, but man, boy oh boy, I really had to force myself out of the hotel room this morning. But yeah, either way, I'm really glad I came out here. I absolutely love this place out here, and I really can't get enough of the Superstition Mountains, but it is hot. All right, so I'm gonna take a sip of water, continue driving, and possibly continue hiking to see if I scout anything, but so far I've had no luck yet. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so after hiking for a while, I found this really cool composition, which is this cactus right behind me. I find it really interesting because it looks like they're holding hands. Initially, when I first saw it, it kind of looked like they were dancing, so I thought it looked pretty cool. So I got set up and took a few photos. And there was a point when there was clouds right in between them, which looked really cool. So we'll see how these photos turn out, and I'm gonna continue walking and see if I find anything else. Otherwise, it seems like a really cool sunset spot. Cool. All right, so I took a few shots from different angles just to use as reference and figure out what would work best when I came back later. I took a really long exposure. I believe it was an 8-second exposure, and thought it turned out pretty cool. All right, so that was fun. I really wasn't expecting to find anything, but I'm so glad I did. Gonna make my way back toward the Jeep now. Drink some water, maybe grab a snack, and then come back out here either later this evening or tomorrow, but we'll see. So far I don't see much clouds out here. It's pretty clear still, so tonight might be a bust, but no worries. Have tomorrow and the following day. Man, I'm really hoping to come back out today, but who knows. Hiking in 115-degree heat wasn't exactly fun, but honestly, for a moment, I was high on excitement for this composition. I came back later that evening, but had no luck or clouds as I had imagined. So I came back the following 3 days after. Same story each time. At that point, I decided, alright, time to move on to something else. But honestly, this trip turned out to be something special. It's when I really got to explore and hike the Apache Trail. And man, I was completely overwhelmed. I know this might sound a little crazy, but the first thing that hit me was seeing a lake surrounded by cacti. I'm from Florida, man. I've never seen anything like that before. So yeah, I was incredibly excited. I stopped at a few different beach areas, just took a moment to chill and enjoy the quiet. I also did a bit of off-roading during this trip, which was unfortunately cut short due to some tire issues I was having. So I told myself next time I come back here, I'm picking up a Rubicon instead. Well, I did just that. So make sure to tune in for part 3 of this adventure, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.